Okay, so I just want to show a few more features on the CNC Swift editor. As you can see, we've got two programs loaded, one $3, one $2, and we've got the dark syntaxed background on both windows. Okay, but what we can do now is in options, if we turn off the dark background syntaxing, it goes to the light background syntaxing. We can choose a different light background with the color syntaxing. There's a few of the colors. We can also yeah, we set it to cream. That's a good all-round choice. Okay, so what we do now is also on the $2 programs, while it's being synchronized, what we can do now on $2 is on some machines you don't need to put the dollar markers in to queue it up, so we just do that on this, and over this side like that, and then we'll put another one underneath it. No. Okay, so I've done that while it's still synchronized. We'll now press the resync button, and as you can see, it's still synchronized and there's no dollar markers on there. So we can do that now. We can obviously still do it the other way. Oh, we've done that wrong. So if you do it wrong, just to show you, you open up this, and it says there's an error there. And as you can see, I've got a 2 on the same line. So you go up to there, and that one's right with 2. This one should be 1. Go to 1, and we'll recheck it down here. So it's okay now, so we can now resynchronize it, go back to where we were, and there we are. That's the line we just put in there. So you could put this in there and pressed resync. There you go. So it's all fully synchronized in the program. So you can either put the dollar markers, which like this one there and there, or you can not put them in and it will still synchronize it on a $2. So that's another good feature. We've also got another few things on here. You go to utilities. We've now got text information, which shows you how many lines in each program. So you've got $A, which is area A, which is this side, and we've got information on how many lines and how many characters in each program. And then area B, we've got the information down there for the characters and the lines in each program on the dollars. So we've got that, but we've also got a scribble pad, which is useful just for like you might want to. It's a bit like when you would use Notepad, just for putting any extra information in. You can, if you've got a second screen, this is great because you can do work on here and then paste it in the main window somewhere. We've also got the ability to zoom in or out on here, which is quite useful. And we've also got cut, copy, paste, and find and replace on here, so that we could do stuff on here. So just to show you, not that you would do this in a program, but just for demonstration. Okay, so it's found 4 of them, and you could replace it on here. So it's replaced them all, and then you can obviously whatever you want to do with it, and that sets the default size back to 0. So that's another little useful feature, a scribble pad, and this is all color syntax as well. So we've also got one more feature here. Quite often when you finish the program, there's lots of kind of messy spaces in there. You might have, you know, after you've finished it, you might have kind of text like this. So what this other feature does now, you just go to trim and set line spacing, and that will just when it finds a space, it would just set them all to one space, which is a quick way of doing it. And we've also got RS-232 transfer programs on here for loading to sending and receiving programs to different machines. So there we go.